Allspice BBQ whole chicken legs on charcoal grill. This is outdoor recipe, completely easy recipe, 40 to 45 minutes. 6 ingredient will give us the delicious barbecue allspice flavored charcoal smoked chicken.
Airborne hungry is delicious.
My name is Mair, you're watching Mair Hungry YouTube channel. Welcome to the channel. Let's make allspice barbecue flavored whole chicken legs on the charcoal grill. I have 10 of the chicken legs, skinless. First thing first, we will take it out from the bag, rinse it with fresh water, then we will have some cuts on the chicken. So all the marinade, all the juices, all the flavors get into the chicken meat. This is 3 pounds of the chicken. Here you go. Let's add the chicken. Let's turn on our charcoal grill. 8 pounds of the charcoals, they go in here. Fire starter. The charcoals are lit. Let's rinse our chicken with fresh water. This is the time, let's have cuts on our chicken. At the front, at the back, both sides. Do it on the drumstick, do it on the thighs. Easy, outdoor, delicious recipe. Allspice, barbecue flavored chicken legs on the charcoal grill. So they should look like this when the cuts are done. Let's marinate. Here is the chicken. Land all the chickens in the marinade bowl and they go in here. This is the whole magic. 3 pounds of the chicken legs. So at least 3 whole spoons of allspice powder. Table salt. 1 tablespoon is enough. Barbecue sauce in the marinade. For the 3 pounds, we will be adding 3 big spoons of barbecue sauce. 4 ingredients are in here: chicken, salt, allspice and barbecue so far. Now it's the time I'm adding canola oil in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. The 6th ingredient, fresh lime. Allspice barbecue chicken legs. Let's do the magic and rub everything up. Once you marinate, this will be the texture of your chicken legs, which will be cooking on charcoals. Allspice is everywhere, barbecue is everywhere, into the deep cuts. Yeah, our coals are ready to go. So they are evenly spreaded. Let's add our chicken on the grill. So we are putting face down. This is the backward, this is the front side. So face down like this. The best thing is once you put the chicken on top, right? Cover it. Leave the vent open. There is a vent right here, which is for the coals. It's open. And there is a vent on top. Mark your clocks, it's 4:10. By add 15 minutes to it, so by 4:25 we'll flip the chicken. It's 4:25. It's been 15 minutes since our delicious allspice barbecue flavored chicken was on the charcoal grill. Here's the moment of truth. Let's give them a flip now. Easy, relax, and here you go. Here you go. So we have all the options. We have a crusty ones, we have the steamed one, This is fantastic about this recipe. If you want more flavors, just drip this on top. Because we still have 15 more minutes to go, they will be cooking like this. Let's add some peppers and some tomatoes. So it's 4:30. Let's cover them with the lid again and cook it for 15 more minutes. So by 4:45, and my friend, I'll see you then with the taste test as well and the reality check. It's been 30 minutes all together. Let's take a look. We have delicious, fully cooked. So this is the back side and this is the front side. And this is the juiciest one. So you have extra charred and you have the juiciest. Alright, here you go. The back side, sizzling, crispy, charred. Of the small bite. Put it right here. This is the fun about cooking outdoor. So let's take a seat and enjoy this delicious allspice barbecue flavored chicken. Barbecue, allspice, wonderful chicken you can make. It's just super hot right now. Oh my god, so yummy and delicious. Super yummy, easy to do. Just 6 ingredients including chicken. You can make this recipe. Enjoy this recipe, subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon so you know when I post a video, and enjoy this delicious. You should make this recipe, seriously.